Good morning students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli Surat, Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 3, Data Handling. Okay. In previous lecture, you already learned about exercise 3.1. Okay. Let's we begin with exercise 3.2, question number 1. In this exercise, you have to learn about mean, median and mode of the given data. Okay, this is so simple thing. Just give the attention here 100%. Okay, this is quite easy for every student. Okay, not hard. Okay, so give the concentration full here and try to learn it properly. That's question number 1. The score in mathematics test out of 25 of the student is as follows. So here 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10. In this way they gives us the marks out of 25. Okay. So in first step, arrange this all number in the ascending order. Okay. This is first step. I repeat it. Please arrange these all the numbers in the ascending order. So I first just put the smallest value of this number are the 5, then 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20 in this way from this number. Okay. So here you can see that the mode of the given number is 20 because this is the highest repeated number of these numbers. Okay, so 20 is 4 times repeating. Okay, so 20 is our mode. It is the highest repeated number from the all numbers. Here we can't take 25 because 25 is repeated 2 times, but 20 is repeated 4 times. Okay, so we take the 20 as a mode. Mode is the repeated value, highest repeated value from the numbers. Then the median. Median is the middle observation. So we put 20 here because let's we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from the end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from the both side I count just the place of this observation. So from the first end it is also 8th number, and from the last end it is for the 8th number. Okay, so this is the middlest value of the number. So we can say that median is 20. Okay, it is the middle value or middle observation from the question. So question number 2, the run score in a cricket match by 11 player is as follows. So here they gives us many values from the cricket. Okay, so this is the 11 players value. So find the mean and median of the data are the 3 same. So first of all, first step is arranging the given data in ascending order. So I just arrange this given data as a ascending order: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120 from this data. Okay, I just arrange it by given data. Okay, we put here, we have to find mean, median and mode. Okay, so mean of the given data is, this is the equation which gives us mean of the given data. First of all, in this data you have to find sum of the observation. Okay, so sum of the observation means these are the sums, these are the observation, and we have to make the summation of these numbers. So 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15. In this way you have to summation these all the data from the given number. Okay, so number of observation are 11. So sum of observation are the 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, but 50, 80, 100 and 120 upon 11 here. Okay, in this way you can find the mean of the given. So after that 429 upon 11 is equal to 39. So the mod of the, so here 429 upon 11 is equal to 39. After that mod is the value which is highly repeated term. Okay, so 15 is highly repeated, means it is the highest repeated value from the series. Okay, so that is a 15. Median is the middle term. Middle term means here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the sixth value from the starting end and ending end. Okay, so this is the 15, which is the middlest value of the full the series. Okay, so the median is 15. Here mean, mod and median are the not same, so we can say that 15, 15 and 39 are not same value. Okay, question number 3. The weight in kilogram of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. So first of all, arrange these all value in the ascending order. Okay, so arranging the given data in ascending order are 32, 35, 36, 37, 38 3 times, 40, 42, 43 3 times, 45 and 47 and 50. These all values are in the ascending order right now. Okay, so in first our mod is the highly repeated value. These are the two values, 38, 38 and 38, and 43, 43, 43. These two values are repeated 3 times, and the 3 times are both are same. So there are two modes of the series, which is 38 and 43. Okay, so here median is the middlest value, middlest term of the given data. Okay, so from first end and last end count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So the 14 is the 8th value from the first end and last end. So we can say that median is the 40. Okay, and second question, is there more than one mode? Okay, yes, there are two modes, 38 and 43. Okay, we take question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. Here we have some data, 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 40. Okay, this is the given data in the question number 4. So answer number, arranging the given data in ascending order. Here 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 16 and 19 is the given data here. So mode is 14, because mode is the highly repeated value, which is 14 over here, and the median is also 14, because here the 14 is, here we can say that 12, 13 also the mode data. Okay, so median is our 14. Question number 5, which is in your homework. So let's tell whether the statement is true or false. It is true or false type questions. Okay, so it is in your homework. The mode is always one of the number in a data. The mean is one of the number in a data. The median is always one of the number in the data. In the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 and has mean 9. Means you have to just give answer right, wrong, true, false, etc. with proper reason. Okay, thank you so much.